before.
Again?
Yeah, I'm here because now I've got a map, and what I'm looking for is, in the last time we did it, we didn't spot all the sculptures.
I know, there's more to see.
Follow me.
Okay.
This way.
Okay.
What is here? This.
I know, that's called the summer cloud. And it's near the Cabot Square, Canary Wharf. Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna do some dancing?
Now I spotted this. What is this?
And that's called Circle of Light. Yeah.
What?
It's got a different coloured plexiglass. What's that? Careful. Yeah. Different coloured plexiglass, and there's a fountain in the middle. Look at that colours. So that's called Circle of Light. Okay, here we go. From red, yellow, green, blue, and purple and pink. If I can see you from here, I think it's a plexi. I can see you. Yeah. Here he goes. He's running again. So here.
This stop is him to the big wheel.
That's right. And it's not far from the previous sculpture titled Wheel of Light.
And what is it?
And what do we have on the other side? Let's have a look.
What's this?
Wow, look at that. Look at this.
Who did that?
I know, good question. Oh, go now.
Yeah, we now got whoa.
That's right.
Yeah, and the next clip.
Which is just on the other side from Circle of Light.
Yeah, and I'll show you something.
It's actually red, but on the camera it kind of appears a bit yellowish.
I'll show you something.
The reflection of it in water is red, yeah. Show me something.
This way.
Bastian is stepping out of the red light.
Yeah.
Yay! Back to his original colour.
That's my original friend. What is this on the floor?
I know, look at that. All this art everywhere. That was one.
And let me see what.
Can you read what's written? Can you do the reading? So London is, what does it say? Proud together, positively, powerfully, passionately.
This one's my favourite.
Yeah, tell me.
I'll hop on my favourite. This one.
Okay. Can you see this rainbow on the walls?
Yeah, but this is my favourite.
That's your favourite? Oh, let me show these patterns.
Yeah.
Mhm.
But see the gap.
Yeah.
Pavement. And look, there's a gap here. But
Yeah, you can look for
it is covered.
you can look for inspiration for your designs. Are you coming down?
Yeah. So now the last art lesson. And look at what up there. Oh.
Shall we go and check out this last one called the Ocean Rise?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go then.
We're heading to the sculpture Ocean Rise. And we found this. Is this hollow?
Looks like it. Okay, I'll try to show what's this. It's a statue of a man looking up. And I know, it looks great. Look at that. Careful. That's pretty cool, no? Yeah, I can see that. Like,
When I go through the bushes.
I know. I like how they made these little balls.
Look.
Okay.
I'm getting tangled in those bushes.
Yeah, and there's some more on the other side as well, on here. Some more on here.
Oh,
Well-
look how there's all these buses.
I know, that's right. Okay, so that's the man basically looking up. Whoops. And we love these little balls they make. The way they cut them. Yeah. Okay. Let's find this Ocean Rise thing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Bye bye, man.
Bye bye from here.
Bye bye from here.
I'm behind blue light. They hardly see me.
Okay, so we were looking for Ocean Rise and instead we found we found this. Do you remember how it's called?
And yellow one. Yellow.
We need
Could
to
be
check the
behind
name.
the
We need to
other
check the
one.
name for this one. Yeah. I can see your shadow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you see me behind the red one.
Yeah, I can see you better behind this one. Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Yeah. And here I am.
Perfect.
Yeah, and then another red one. And look at this! An orange one.
Are you turning orange now?
Yeah.
You've turned orange.
And what is this? What is this one?
I don't think I'll see you through that one. Yeah. I can only see a shadow through this one.
That may be a Bordeaux one.
Okay, so then you have one more panel and then there's a blue one. Is this a pink one? Yeah. Cool. Is that where you started? Okay. So let's see how this one's called. There's more info on it here. And oh, this one's called Shine Your Colors.
And where is Ocean
Right.
Rise?
Good question. Let's check the map. Okay. Here it is.
Here is Ocean Rise.
The Ocean Rise.
I don't really like it.
Neither do I. Okay.
No.
Okay, show me. Whoops.
Look.
Can you get through? Can you get through? Do you fit?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not really impressed with it. Let's read the description of Ocean Rise. The description.
That's right. So it says that it's a mixed reality sculpture that highlights the rise in sea levels due to global warming. It creates a connection between the physical and the digital, the city and the ocean. Okay. Yeah. So that's the Ocean Rise.
Not really.
Your face says it all.
I forgot the name.
Retention site for atmospheric particles.
Yeah. Yeah.
He was trying to memorize the name.
Last video. The sun
It's
pavilion.
near the Sun Pavilion, yeah, that's right. And they've got some different plants in there. Okay.
So we now
So shall we go around?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah. I can see the station from this.
That's right.
I think there's another exit.
Yeah.
To the
You see
station.
escalators going up. Okay,
Yeah.
but let's show this. Let's show the sculpture here. Okay. So you're gonna go around. And there's one more thing somewhere up there
Yeah. So we're going to look.
that we're going to try to find. What is this?
Is this hollow?
I think so.
Yeah.
It's called the knot.
Can you climb it?
Not sure.
Yeah.
It's a mirror polished stainless steel. What are you? Hello.
I'm climbing.
You are? Perfect. Wow.
Climbing.
Can you squeeze through?
I know I
Okay. Good job.
can. That's how I climb the knot.
Oh, okay. Careful. Whoa. Look at you.
Someone else do what I'm my trick?
I don't know.
If you have a child that likes climbing.
Take them here to climb on the top of the knot.
Climb the knot.
Yeah, climb on the top of this knot. Okay.
Yeah. So bring your child here to climb on it.
Okay.
The knot.
What about the oven?
Yeah. The knot.
Whoa. Good
Yeah.
job. Good job. I like it actually.
I like it as well.
You like it as well? It's so cool. Okay. So let's see what else we can find. Yeah. I think it's a bit too heavy for you to push.
Here I am, out of cocoon.
The out of cocoon. Yeah.
This is the last picture.
Yeah, that's right.
So they add on.
That's right.
Yeah.
And it's actually quite cool because this one's illuminated, so you can see Bastian, the little butterfly.
Oh.
When you sit, Bastian, when you sit straight, you look like these are your butterfly wings. You may stand up. This looks really cool.
Oh.
You're gonna stand up.
How cool.
Wow, look at that. Bastian with the giant butterfly wings. Way!
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay, so that's us. We just thought it would be quite cool to do this at night.
Bye bye and like and subscribe.
That's right. And this one's called again Out of Cocoon.
Bye bye.